Welcome back YouTube to yet another video. Finally, we're here to make another video. I know it's been a while. It's just because my car has been down for about, I want to say 3 weeks. So in the beginning of last week, this is what happened. So one big thing that I had found out is that the low side fuel pump on this car is actually not so great. I could give you guys a picture as you can see here. So that's pretty much a C5 Corvette filter regulator. That's what I'm talking about. The regulator is right there, and then the low side filter I believe is right there. Kind of getting me thinking that the quality of this build is not so great. And as you saw, it was working perfectly fine. And as soon as we put the new low side fuel system by DSX, it just all of a sudden ran completely shitty. Unfortunately, I didn't have a video of it because I completely forgot, and I was just stressing about the whole situation because I had to tow it from the shop over to my house because the shop couldn't store it until I had to get the car tuned. And now it's Tuesday, so now we can get the car tuned, and we have a tow company coming here right now as we speak, so they could tow the ZL1 and we could get a tune finally and get it proper and dialed in. And I want to apologize for the inconvenience of the quality and audio for the whole entire vlog. Is mainly gonna be filming on my GoPro, but I am also filming on my phone as of right now for the start because my camera guy Gabe unfortunately couldn't make it, so I'm taking the vlogs in my own hands as far as filming and everything like that. So without further ado, let's get this car up on the tow and finally get to where we need to go. All right, so the car is now on the tow truck, and that should be all said and done. Once we get this all strapped in, we're gonna take this car to Long Beach and then have it finally tuned. Hopefully it'll make some great power today. All right, big shout out to Highland Towing. They were absolutely great with customer service and making sure that everything was just on time, so that way I could get to my appointment to the tuner on time. Oh, just from the tire itself?
Yeah, so what happens is we're gonna wrap it around the tire, so it takes all the pressure off the frame.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Do you know who Jensen Button is?
Oh yeah, Jensen Button, yeah.
Tanner Fowles?
Yeah, I know them. Yeah.
We've all done work. I've done work with them, so.
No way.
We towed all their, not all their race cars, but some of their race cars.
Yeah, I used to race shifter karts, and I saw Jensen Button a couple of times out there racing go-karts with us.
Yeah,
so that was great.
He actually follows me on Instagram.
Really? Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, he's a super cool guy.
Yeah, he really seems down to earth for sure.
Yeah.
All right, so right now we are being towed back, getting off the bed. So yeah, we should be all good. All right, so she's safely off the bed, as you can see. Big thanks to this guy right here. Dude, thank you so much again for absolutely everything. Taking care of my car and everything.
No problem.
This guy is the best, I would say, for towing. Anything you guys need, just contact Highland Towing. These guys definitely know what they're doing, 100%. All right, so now we're just about to get tuned. As of right now, we just looked at the current tune and there's already problems with the car. They didn't really, what pretty much the owner was saying is that they didn't really compensate for the camshaft that's in the car, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, let's see what happens. At least it ran in its own power. That was actually pretty good. When I got it home to my house, then it didn't want to even start.
shock map in there.
Damn. Well, that's it for today. It's 4 o'clock. I was here since 12 and my car is all the way over there just parked because I have to keep the car here until a tow tomorrow to the shop that worked on my car for the low side fuel system. And yeah, just kind of unfortunate that this whole situation happened. So then that means I have to tow it back to this shop, Church Automotive Tuning, so I can get my car dialed in. But as right now it has a major fuel leak. I'll leave a video right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for this vlog. Stay tuned for part 2. Hopefully we can get my car properly running finally. It just seems like it's been such a hassle, my god. But anyways, thank you so much. Leave a like and subscribe so that way it helps the algorithm, and it also helps me out, and I appreciate your guys' support. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you have a great day, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.